Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Magic Studio, also known as Magic Media, in Canva. First, open Canva and sign into your account. Then create a new design or open an existing project. Now, on the left side of the screen, click Magic Media. This AI-powered tool lets you generate images by simply typing a text description. In the prompt box, enter a description of the image you want to create. For example, you can describe a landscape, a business background, a product photo, or any other creative idea. After entering your prompt, click Generate or Generate again. Canva will take a few moments to create several AI-generated images based on your description. As you can see, Canva has generated multiple image options. You can browse through the results and choose the one you like best. To use an image, simply click on it, and Canva will automatically add it to your design. You can resize it, move it anywhere on the page, or combine it with text, graphics, and other design elements. Magic Media is a great way to create unique visuals without searching for stock photos. It can save time and help you create professional-looking designs in just a few clicks. That's how you use Magic Studio in Canva to generate AI images. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.